How to fix a blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. Welcome back to Lemme Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. To fix a blurry profile picture on your WhatsApp, first and foremost, check for your photograph quality. If it's optimum and still you are facing this issue, follow this next instruction. Exit from here, press and hold onto your WhatsApp app. Then it will pop up some of this option, head to app info. Force stop it, head to storage and cache, and clear up the cache. This is to fix any of the bug or a glitch issue. Once you are done from here, exit from here. Now open up your phone setting. Scroll down, tap on the apps option. From here, head to all apps. Search for your WhatsApp. Now this is the alternative way to force stop your app and clearing off the cache. While you are in your phone setting, you can check out an additional option, that is System Update. Next step is to open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for your WhatsApp, and if there is an update, just leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. Also check for your Wi-Fi connection and make sure that it is in optimum speed. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.